From the tallest skyscrapers to the coziest homes, the construction industry shapes the world around us. Every structure we see, every bridge we cross, every road we travel, all began with a blueprint and the hard work of countless individuals. But behind the scenes of these impressive feats of engineering and craftsmanship lies a carefully orchestrated process, a series of interconnected phases that ensure projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the highest standards. Over the course of this video series, we're going to take a deep dive into the 10 fundamental phases of a successful construction project. We'll explore the critical steps involved, from the initial planning stages to the final walkthrough, providing you with the knowledge and insights needed to navigate the complexities of the construction world. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or just starting out in the industry, understanding these phases is essential. They provide a roadmap for success, helping you avoid costly mistakes and deliver exceptional results. So, let's grab our hard hats, roll up our sleeves, and get started. Now, you might be thinking, Bob, we're here to talk about building, not hiring. But trust me, folks, a construction project is only as strong as the team behind it. That's why our first phase focuses on establishing a solid foundation with effective human resources. Think of your HR department as the architects of your workforce. They're responsible for attracting, recruiting, and retaining the skilled professionals who will bring your projects to life. A well-structured HR system ensures you have the right people with the right skills in the right roles, which is crucial for productivity and efficiency. But it's not just about filling positions. It's about creating a positive and supportive work environment. A strong HR department fosters open communication, provides opportunities for professional development, and addresses any concerns or issues that may arise. This leads to increased employee satisfaction, reduced turnover, and a more engaged and productive workforce. All right, folks, let's talk numbers. Even the most beautifully designed building won't stand the test of time if the finances aren't in order. That's why establishing proper accounting procedures is crucial for any successful construction project. Think of your accounting system as the blueprint for your project's financial health. It tracks every dollar spent, from the initial cost of materials to labor expenses and everything in between. Accurate accounting provides you with a clear picture of your cash flow, allowing you to make informed decisions and avoid any financial surprises down the road. But it's not just about keeping track of expenses, it's also about managing your budget effectively. By closely monitoring your spending and comparing it to your initial estimates, you can identify any potential overruns early on and take corrective action. This proactive approach helps keep your project on track financially and ensures you stay within the allocated budget. Now, we're turning our attention to a crucial aspect of any successful construction project: safety. It's not just about following regulations. It's about fostering a work environment where everyone understands that safety is the top priority. Think of it like this. You wouldn't start building a house without a solid foundation, right? Well, a culture of safety is the bedrock of any successful construction project. It's about creating an environment where every worker feels empowered to speak up about potential hazards and where everyone looks out for each other. This means clear communication is key. Regular safety meetings, proper training programs, and readily available safety equipment are all essential components. And remember, a safe job site is a productive job site. When workers feel secure and confident in their surroundings, they can focus on the task at hand, leading to greater efficiency and a higher quality of work. So, invest in safety from the get-go. It's an investment that pays dividends in the long run. Moving on, let's delve into an area that might not be as exciting as pouring concrete or framing walls, but it's equally crucial for the well-being of your construction project, the legal side of things. Now, I'm not a lawyer, but I've learned over the years that a little legal foresight can go a long way in preventing headaches down the road. Construction projects involve a lot of moving parts, multiple subcontractors, and a whole lot of paperwork. Each contract, permit, and insurance policy is there to protect you and your project, so it's essential to understand the ins and outs of each document. That's why it's crucial to have a qualified legal professional in your corner, someone who understands the complexities of construction law and can guide you through the maze of regulations and requirements. Think of them as your co-pilot, helping you navigate the legal landscape and avoid potential pitfalls. Remember, a well-drafted contract can be your best defense against disputes and litigation. It's much easier to address potential issues up front than to try to untangle a legal mess after the fact. We're finally ready to dive into the actual construction process, but hold on just a minute. Before we even think about breaking ground, we need to lay a solid foundation for success with a thorough pre-construction process. This is where careful planning and meticulous attention to detail can make all the difference. Think of the pre-construction phase as the blueprint for your project's success. It's where you assemble your team, define your goals, and establish a clear roadmap for the journey ahead. Just like a well-designed house starts with a detailed set of blueprints, a successful construction project begins with a well-defined pre-construction plan. This phase is all about communication and collaboration. You'll be working closely with the project owner, architects, engineers, and other key stakeholders to ensure everyone is on the same page from the outset. Clear, consistent communication is key to identifying and resolving potential challenges before they become major roadblocks. Remember, the decisions made during pre-construction will have a ripple effect throughout the entire project. By investing time and effort up front, you'll be setting the stage for a smoother, more efficient, and ultimately more successful construction process. Now that we've covered the essential pre-construction steps, let's move on to the exciting part, the design phase. This is where your vision starts taking shape on paper, or should I say, on blueprints. It's like crafting a detailed roadmap for your entire project. A good set of blueprints is crucial because they serve as the primary communication tool between you, the architect, and the contractor. They outline everything from the layout and dimensions of your project to the materials and finishes you've chosen. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start hammering away without knowing where the walls go, right? Blueprints provide that essential framework, ensuring everyone's on the same page and that your project gets built as intended. From the foundation to the roof, every detail matters. And a well-defined design ensures that your project not only looks good, but also functions efficiently and meets all safety standards. In any construction project, having a realistic budget is crucial, and that's where a standardized estimating process comes in. This isn't just about throwing numbers around. It's about establishing a systematic approach to calculating costs accurately. Think of it like this. A well-crafted estimate is the foundation of your project's financial stability. It helps you secure the necessary funding, track expenses effectively, and avoid any unpleasant surprises down the line. Now, I've seen my fair share of projects go over budget, and trust me, it's not pretty. But with a standardized estimating process, you can minimize those risks and ensure that your project stays on track financially. Remember, accurate estimates are not about cutting corners. They're about understanding the true costs involved and making informed decisions from the get-go. With a solid design and a realistic budget in hand, it's time to tackle another crucial phase: project procurement. Now, this might sound like a fancy term, but it's really all about getting the right materials and services at the right price and at the right time. Think of it as the shopping spree for your project. But instead of browsing aisles, you'll be evaluating bids, negotiating contracts, and ensuring that everything aligns with your project's specifications. Now, procurement might seem like a straightforward process, but it can quickly become overwhelming without a systematic approach. You'll be dealing with numerous suppliers, contractors and vendors, each with their own timelines and terms. That's why it's essential to have a clear understanding of your project's needs, a well-defined procurement plan, and strong negotiation skills to secure the best deals without compromising on quality. Well, folks, we've done our due diligence, planned meticulously, and now comes the exciting part: putting those plans into action. The construction phase is where we see those blueprints transform from paper to reality. This phase demands rigorous coordination and clear communication between all parties involved. From the site foreman to the skilled tradespeople, everyone plays a crucial role in ensuring the project stays on track and adheres to the established quality standards. Remember, even with the best laid plans, hiccups can happen. That's why constant monitoring and open communication are key. Whether it's adjusting timelines due to unforeseen circumstances or addressing on-site challenges, flexibility and problem-solving are essential tools in any builder's belt. Now, let's talk about laying the foundation. This, quite literally, sets the stage for the entire structure. It involves careful excavation, grading, and the placement of concrete footings and foundation walls. A solid foundation ensures stability and longevity for the building, so we never cut corners in this department. As we approach the finish line of our construction project, it's time to shift our focus to project closeout. This phase is all about tying up loose ends, ensuring everything meets our high standards, and preparing the building for occupancy. First and foremost, we conduct a thorough walkthrough with the client. This allows them to see the finished product, point out any final adjustments, and ensure everything aligns with their vision. It's about open communication and making sure they are completely satisfied with the end result. Next comes the punch list. This is a detailed list of any outstanding items that need attention, from minor touch-ups to final adjustments. We consider this list our Bible during the closeout phase, meticulously addressing each item to ensure a flawless finish. Finally, we gather all the necessary documentation, including warranties, operation manuals, and inspection reports. This comprehensive package provides the client with everything they need to maintain their new building for years to come. Well, there you have it, folks. The 10 essential phases of a successful construction project. We started with the importance of a well-structured company, emphasizing the need for solid HR practices, accurate accounting, and a strong safety culture. Then we moved on to the pre-construction phase, where meticulous planning, detailed design, and accurate estimating lay the groundwork for a smooth construction process. We talked about the importance of securing the right materials and managing the construction phase efficiently. Finally, we wrapped things up with a look at project closeout, highlighting the significance of thorough inspections, client communication, and obtaining the all-important Certificate of Occupancy. Each of these phases plays a critical role in ensuring the success of a construction project. It's like a well-oiled machine, with each part working in harmony to deliver exceptional results. With these phases well managed, any construction project is set for success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into construction management.